What is the reason that 90% of traders lose money in trading? Why do they keep repeating the same mistakes even when they know where they are going wrong? If you understand these points carefully, you can also join those 10% of people who make money. Don't miss the last point if you want to become a pro trader. Why do most new traders lose money? If you are new to the market, you might have jumped in after watching trading videos, or because a friend showed you big dreams about trading. Now, you jumped into trading overconfidently without any knowledge. You put $5,000 or $10,000 into your demat account and blew that money away by just betting on green and red candles. Now, the story of your learning to trade begins here. First, you try to learn by watching a video or buying someone's course, and the person selling the course tells you that you will become a pro trader with this course, but that doesn't work either. Then, your eyes suddenly fall on a video on social media where you get to learn the magic of indicators. Now, a voice inside you will say, "This is so easy." Now you lose $5,000 again to see the magic of indicators. Now you get an itch to find some jugad, shortcut, so that you can make a profit. Now you reach out to a signal provider. You will scramble to arrange capital and make a profit for 1 or 2 days through signals. Then, the very next day, you will blow your entire capital because you don't know how to cut losses. You won't know anything about risk management because you are currently trading with a beginner's mindset and relying on others. Because you want to become a pro trader without putting in your own effort, you have to face a big loss in the beginning, which disturbs your mindset right from the start, because trading is not a game of making money, but of saving it. The first thing is to understand the market. Don't invest money yet. Let me try to explain this with an example. If you are going into a swimming pool for the first time, you don't jump directly into deep water without learning how to swim. But in trading, people do exactly that. They invest capital without understanding the market. The result is that the money sinks. That is why my first advice is, for at least 15 to 30 days, just watch the market. How does price action move? How does liquidity sweep happen? How does smart money trap people? What is an FVG, fair value gap? What are candlestick patterns and chart patterns? How to identify support and resistance? How will risk management work? And I especially recommend that in today's time, news has become very important in the stock market or trading. Therefore, on whichever day you want to trade, you must first keep an eye on the news to see what is happening in the world. Is there any negativity spreading in the stock market due to any news? Now, this has become necessary in the stock market in today's time. After this, understand the market time psychology. When the market opens at 9:15, there is high volatility. Therefore, if you are a beginner, it is better to enter the market after 10 a.m. If you are a beginner, do not use more than $5,000 capital in the beginning, because 80% of beginners lose all their money in the first 2 months. You have to treat your $5,000, $10,000 capital as a learning fee. Suppose if you can even survive in the market with this capital for 1 month, then you are moving in the right direction, because many traders wipe out their entire capital in just 1 day. Then it becomes difficult for them to arrange capital again. The longer you keep your capital running, the better your risk management will develop. And the more consistent you are in the market, the faster you will learn, and one day you will become a profitable trader. So, as much as possible, you have to save your capital so that you can stay in the market. Test one strategy repeatedly. Suppose you learned a strategy. For example, I will trade only on breakout or breakdown. Now, you tested this strategy 50 times, out of which you made a profit in 30 and lost in 20. That means still, 10 trades gave you a profit. Now think, if you use one strategy with discipline every day, then nothing can stop you from making a profit. Now, what do some beginner traders do? They traded once, lost once, and said the strategy is useless. And then they open YouTube and start looking for a new strategy. But what do smart traders do? They backtest the same strategy 50 times, 100 times. They don't ask if it works or not. They ask when this strategy works, when it fails, and how I can refine it. Instead of spending time on a new strategy every time, know one strategy so well that it becomes your friend, whose every move you know. On the other hand, if you are grabbing a different strategy every time, your time will also be wasted, and along with it, the loss will also be higher, because every time a new strategy will give you a big loss. So, if you master just one strategy, the loss will also be less, and you can become profitable quickly. The most dangerous trap for beginners: if you are a beginner, listen to me carefully. In trading, you don't lose because of money, you lose because of mistakes. And I'm going to tell you about some traps where 90% of new traders get stuck. And then they say trading is gambling. You must have seen Telegram channels saying, buy Nasdaq at 22,400. You will get a target of 200 points and a stop loss of only 20 points. And below it is written, Pay.group available for $919 per month. That's where you got trapped. These tips have neither context nor logic, just traps. Stay as far away from all this as possible if you want to become a pro trader, because your money will go in this and your mindset will also be disturbed. Overtrading, more trades, more money. Beginners think if I don't take 5 or 6 trades a day, how will I learn? But taking a trade on every candle is not learning. It is drowning in haste. Pro traders take 5 to 10 high conviction trades in a month. Fewer trades, higher accuracy, more profit, revenge trading. You lost in one trade and think, I will cover it now and double your position. Now you are no longer a trader. You have become an emotional gambler. You cannot challenge the market. If you don't get a trade, don't take it. The next one will come. Setups repeat. Beginners feel if I didn't trade today, I missed something. But the truth is, no trade is also a trade. Every day is not an opportunity to make money in the market. Protecting capital is also a strategy. If you found this video valuable, in the next video, I will tell you how you can create a working trading strategy without any paid course. Tell me in the comments what struggle you are currently stuck in regarding trading.